you have to drop the ball and then kick it, okay? हमारे 100 नहीं हुए तो मिलियंस की बात कर रही हो. Welcome to my amusement park. I'll just give an overview of my amusement park. I have given a map so she'll get an idea what all I have it in my park, and then we have organized a ticket. So she has to buy a ticket to enter into the park, yes. And then once she'll buy the ticket, she'll go and she can play each and every game. But to play those games, she need to buy tokens. In this way, she will learn about currencies, the notes, 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees notes. She can differentiate that. So just to give an overview with the real world, I have given that option. We have 4 different games: ring toss and knock down the canes. Now in knock down the canes, I have given 2 different versions. The first version is kick the ball, and then the second version is throw the ball. There are 2 different games we have given, and then we have given obstacle track. So she has to clear all the obstacles. Once she clear those, she has to eat something. Yes, when we go for the park, we need to eat something. So I'll plan for a cafeteria. In that cafeteria, I've given different options: something for drink, water, and some drinks like juices. And then I have given them healthy options like pancake, makhanas, and Fruit Loops, along with fruit options. And then we have a market. Before you come out from an amusement park, you should buy something. Yes, so I've given that option too. So here is the options. You can see it. Yes, Meera, say namaste to everyone.
नमस्ते.
So ये कुछ पैसे हैं, ठीक है? ये सारी फेक करेंसी है, ठीक है? किसको देना नहीं. आपको आज के अम्यूजमेंट पार्क में जो भी एक्टिविटीज करनी है, you can do it, and at every counter you have to pay some amount. Okay? I'll tell you the token amount and you need to give that amount. Okay? Fine. And आपके पॉकेट में रखते हैं.
मेरी पॉकेट है. मेरी
I'll give you first. You want purse or you want pocket?
पॉकेट.
Keep it safe. Okay? चलिए. So guys, आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं एक छोटी सी जर्नी हमारे अम्यूजमेंट पार्क की,
हाँ.
जिसका नाम है पल्लवी
मीरा स्पेस.
अम्यूजमेंट पार्क. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. Yes, Meera, which game you want to play? Okay, so before starting the game, you need to buy a ticket, and the park ticket is 100 rupees. This is your ticket. You need to buy. 100 rupees. Thank you. Here it is.
My name is Meera.
My name is Meera.
Yeah.
Fine, Meera. So you can enjoy the park. You can enjoy all the activities, and every activity you need to pay some amount. Okay? You need to buy a token and need to pay some amount. So Meera, which activity you want to play first?
Yes.
This one? Okay, I'm giving 50 rupees. I'll give you the token. Fine, Meera. Here is the token, and it costs you 50 rupees. Take it. I'll give you 5 balls. In 5 balls, you need to do it. Okay? You can keep your purse here. No? Yes. So Meera, you won this game. See, Meera has dropped all the balls. So here Meera will get a prize. I'll give it to you. That's fine. After completing all the activities, I'll give it to Meera. Okay? I'll write to Meera's name now. Fine, buddy. Tell me, did you like the activity?
Yeah.
You like it. Okay. So Meera, what will be your next game? Which game you want to play? Okay, this one. It will cost you 50 rupees again. Can you give me 50 rupees? Thank you, Meera. So for this game, you have to drop the ball and then kick it, okay? Sorry, I'll arrange it. Are you ready, Meera?
Yeah.
Meera, you'll get only 5 chances. Oh, wow! You did it, Meera. Do it once again. Okay, Meera, what will be the next game you want to play? This one? Okay, you know what you have to do?
3, now, 6, 9.
I don't know what you have said, but yeah, I understood your feeling. For this one, you have to pay 50 rupees.
Philip, 6 rupees.
See guys, I have so much of money today. Moon ball is the prize, Mira. If you ring 3 times, you'll win the prize.
Oh, I couldn't color with you.
You got the moon ball. Take it. You will open it later. Keep it there. This is the next activity you want to do.
Yes.
This obstacle track. It will cost you 100 rupees.
Yes.
100 rupees. Thank you. You have to cross all the obstacles, Mira.
No.
You can start it now. Done. And here is your glow glasses. You can take your prize and keep it at the counter.
Yes. I'm ready yet. Now the creator.
Mira, my time. Mira, you want to buy something after this game or you want to eat something?
Okay.
So from the market, what do you want?
Yeah.
Okay, you want a Batman and a whistle.
Yeah.
10 rupees for this and 10 rupees for this. Which color you want, Mira? I didn't ask you the color. Which color do you want?
Pink. This is 2 rupees.
20 rupees. 10 ke 2 notes, okay? Here's your whistle. Here's your Batman. Can I show you how to do it? Take it. Fine. Now do you want to eat something?
Yeah.
मीरा क्या खाना चाहोगी अभी? कुछ खाना है? क्या खाना है बताइए?
Orange or apple?
Orange and apple. 10 rupees, Mira. Give me 10 rupees. Thank you, Mira. Here you go.
Yeah, thank you.
You want to take something for drink also?
Yes.
Then give me 10 rupees. I'll give it to you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Mira, here's your chia seed water.
Yes.
You can sit and drink.
Yeah, thank you. Like it.
You like it? आराम से पानी पीजिए और मेरी बातों का जवाब दीजिए। सबसे बेस्ट गेम कौन सा लगा?
ये सारे games.
सारे गेम्स अच्छे लगे। आप नेक्स्ट टाइम मेरे पार्क में आना चाहेंगे? आप मुझे बताइए नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं आपके लिए क्या प्लान करूँ?
Apple.
हॉस्पिटल?
Yeah. ये सारे देश के टॉयज कितने लगे और आप नेक्स्ट टाइम इधर आया करें और इधर पास मस्ती करा।
आपके दोस्तों को क्या करना चाहिए?
इधर आना चाहिए और सबसे रहना चाहिए।
इनको लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना चाहिए।
हाँ।
क्यों करना चाहिए इनको लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब?
हमारी मिलियन जल्दी पता है।
हमारे 100 नहीं हुए तो मिलियंस की बात कर रही हो। सपने हमेशा बड़े देखने चाहिए। गुड मीरा। सो से बाय टू एवरीवन।
Like my video. Subscribe to my video.
ओए शर्मा गई क्या? गिम्बल।
Gimbal. तू आज से कहीं नहीं जाएगा।
अरे रुक जा मेरे भाई। थैंक यू। बड़े हाल गिम्बल जी।
इतने सारे।
ये अलग एक टास्क हो गया। गाइस मैंने आज बहुत पैसे कमाए, ठीक है? और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। अगर मैं मीरा के साथ बैठूंगी तो ये वीडियो मीरा खत्म ही नहीं करने देंगी। सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। इन द मीन टाइम अच्छे से रहिए, खुश रहिए, सबको खुश रखिए। सबको खुश रखने के चक्कर में अपनी खुशी ना भूलिए। ये सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक है। चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय।